So OpenClaw has a new built-in native application inside of our iPhones or Androids, and you can download it within the App Store or Google Play Store. So it's pretty cool that this company went through and released this type of application natively. Now it's still going to be a work in progress. It seems like there's not too many positive reviews of it, but it will get better over time. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your App Store or your Google Play Store, and all you're going to want to do is just search up OpenClaw. So you can open up OpenClaw just like this, and it says, OpenClaw AI that does things. And all you're going to have to do here is basically just click on Get and download this application. So go through, basically click and download, open this application, and from here it's going to start downloading. Now within this app, it's going to take a lot of configuration. So you are going to have to go through and kind of configure it multiple different ways. But once it's downloaded, you should be good to go, and you can open up this application and you can start using OpenClaw inside of your iPhone or your Android device. So from here, you can go through and connect to your gateway, connect to all these other. You can click on continue, and then you can basically connect to your gateway. And from here, you'll basically be able to go through and use your OpenClaw environment inside of your iPhone or Android. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.